guys! Good morning! It's our day 5 here in Japan and we're going to Shiga! Go! Hold your breath muna. Close. Okay, go. There. Okay. No, hold mo muna. Mamaya, 1 minute. Okay, go. There. Mamaya na.
Mommy, look! It's got the third wheel!
Where?
Mom, I'm so excited.
Ba't tawag sa
Kasi hindi ka dumili ko ng daddy eh.
hindi kita narinig.
Kanina pa ako sumisa. Daddy, daddy.
ツアーストーリーもう到着しますよね。すいません。あと5分ぐらい。はい、すいません。
Wake up, wake up.
Hi guys, we're here. Biwako.
I'm gonna ride the cable car. And we're gonna... Oh God, this is
Dito tayo mag-rent kung may gloves dito.
Baka may gloves dun sa taas.
Ang lamig, parang freezer. Okay. Sige, tingnan natin dito, mami. Kunyari, hindi natatakot ang isa. Ewan ko lang talaga. Upo ka na. Go, Bobby.
Is that a whopping thing? What's that whopping?
Kabado yan.
Look, this snow is in
Tingin ka.
Pokemon. This is like Pokemon. Pokemon's coming.
So, ano nararamdaman mo ngayon? Bobby! How about mommy? As mommy.
Why are you always scared in the cable car? Scared. It's in booms.
Yeah, you're gonna be
And I'm so
Under stars we ride tonight. City lights so bright, alright. Windows down, we feel the breeze. Heartbeats fast, we're free with ease. With ease. Radio plays our favorite song. We sing loud, we sing along. No maps, just the open road. Together sharing stories told. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Street signs blurring on our review.
Mommy! Kyler!
Why? We're going to the lift.
Gaboy waffle cherry. Wow, smile. Don't smile.
Smile like this. Yan. Yay!
One more.
Under stars we ride tonight. City lights so bright, alright. Windows down, we feel the breeze. Heartbeats fast, we're free with ease. With ease. Radio plays our favorite song. We sing loud, we sing along. No maps, just the open road. Together sharing stories told. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile just you and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Street signs blurring on our rear view. In the sky, the darkest blue. Laughing loud without a care.
There's Mami.
Sabay! Sabay!
Good job. Books. Okay, stand up. Mami.
Under stars we
Kyler.
ride tonight. City lights so bright, alright. Windows down, we feel the breeze. Heartbeats fast, we're free with ease. With ease. Radio plays our favorite song. We sing loud, we sing along. No maps, just the open road. Together sharing stories told. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile just you and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Street signs blurring on our rear view. In the sky, the darkest blue. Laughing loud without a care. You and me, the perfect pair. Headlights shining just for us. World belongs to us, no fuss. Moonlit skies, we're hand in hand. Wanderlust, we understand. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile just you and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree.
So guys, we're here! Real snow guys! Real snow here! Biwako! Biwako Valley.
Skyler, ay, mamaya mahulog ko.
But look!
This is my first time to experience snow!
Ano, gusto mo muna kumain dyan?
Ikaw, Oli lift na tayo.
O, lift muna tayo kung gusto mo.
Ano?
Lift tayo.
Lift!
Tabi kayo ni Sky?
Ikaw mag-isa?
Oo.
Baka mahulog mo yung camera.
Hindi yan, hawak ko naman eh.
Wala ka ha. Pag nahulog mo yan.
Look, there's about the cable cars!
Look! Woo!
Mommy, look, there's about the cable cars!
Yeah. Mommy's scared!
Sky is spraying!
Wow, ang taas! Akin na ako na magawa.
Daddy, ikaw na natatakot. Uy, wag niyo ipapa.
Eh, syempre, mami scared na naman. Ano pa nga ba? Oh, it's so cold here! Lamig dito, grabe. Sinong takot? Mami, sinong takot?
Luwa ako pa. Skyler, dito ka lang ha.
Success?
Woo!
Oh!
There's the ice.
Careful, Skyler, careful, careful.
You're pushing me!
Don't yakap, don't yakap.
How am I supposed to get up?
No, you need, I'll push you, sige. Siya muna, siya muna.
You can't. Yes, you can.
When you finish, go up.
Alright. Alright, you get up there? Oh no! I'm squashing.
Mission. We need to fill all of two of these up.
Did you try this one? We need to fill all of these. Hey, Eric, go up! No! That doesn't happen. You don't have to.
Go, Sky! Go, Skyler! Don't eat the ice.
Mom, it's so slippery. Whoa. I'm getting up.
How did you go up here? Here. Dito ka, dito ka. Here. Here.
You want to try this one on the right?
Here.
Yeah, what? There's a staircase.
Dito ka.
Wow,
Look at mommy. Ah! Nye.
Hey, what's this? Hey, Mommy, look at this!
Mm.
What's that? Well, why not get a kind of flag for me?
Basta ka naman po. Ano pong experience nyo? Ano pong masasabi nyo?
Parang hindi ko na mabalik sa normal yung mukha ko. Parang pag nakagaya na lang. Sobrang lamig.
Go, you can do it.
Give me the ice, bro. We didn't try to destroy it somehow.
Go. Ah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You cannot go here. Hindi ka makakakit dyan. You go up to the other side.
Give me that!
Ah.
Show to me! And that shovel!
Ah. Taylor.
Hi. I don't like my toy to drop it.
What?
I don't like my toy to drop.
Hi.
Because this is cute.
Taylor.
Hi.
Hold mommy.
Tas. I'm holding!
Daddy.
Why is that thing? Why is the rope?
Lamig, naninigas na yung kamay ko. So, para sa video. Para sa video, guys. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Pupunta na kami sa baba. At doon na naman ulit kami maglalaro ng snow. So, unlimited snow playing.
Pag nadulas ka lang dyan talaga. Sige, talon ka. Kung matapang, talon. Oh!
Dito, wala nang mag-i-ski.
Oh, ha?
Photo. Click ko lang yung picture.
Okay. Bahala na kung nakiklik yun. Nakagloves ako eh.
Grabe na to, guys. Doon muna tayo sa heater.
Medyo, konti na lang ano eh. Maninigas na talaga.
Hindi ko na kaya, guys. Hindi ko na kaya. Sobrang lamig. Magpa-heater muna tayo. Ito yung anak ko dito, hindi natatakot sa lamig.
Oh, madulas. Cool.
Eh.
Pa-side mo yung sapatos ng mami. Pa-side. Pag ganito. Pa-side, Bobby. Ganito mo. Oh.
Hee!
Dapat nag-ski ka rin, Bobby. Dito ka lang, oh. Sumalapit.
Videoan mo kami So, pa naglalaro si Skyler doon? Dati gusto ko lang pumunta sa snow, pero nung nasa snow ako, parang ang lamig-lamig. So, si Skyler, hindi pa rin natatapos maglaro. Andun, makalaro siya ng mga foreigner. Bida-bida siya doon. At ang mga kanya magulang, nangingisay na sa lamig. Nangingisay na kami dito. Ang lamig!
Doon na lang, oh.
Picture tayo, Daddy.
Ito.
Lapit ka dito. Smile! Ah! Ano naman yan?
Snowman.
Ayan na. Ang kami si Snowman. Asa yung muka?
Ayun, oh. Kamay niya yan, eh.
Ah.
Sama.
Si Baby Snow. Si Baby Snowman. So, si Skyler habang nag-ano. Ha? Smile. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Smile. Okay.
Okay na?
Ah, naka-video yan.
Kala mo picture.
Video, habang picture. Bye. O, tingin ka dyan. Tingin ka dyan, Daddy. Yan, Daddy. Okay. Tingin ka dito. Tingin ka dito. Daddy. 1, 2, 3. Ako naman.
1, 2, pose! Grabe yun.
Patayo na may cut.
Naka-video din.
Ito mga snow mo, ba't ka pumupunta pa dyan sa malayo? Go, play. Dito ka na, dito ka na.
May ice dito eh.
Ito nga, ay, so. Sulit yung binayad natin dito. 4-5 to eh.
Sa?
4-5 isa. Sa lahat ng pinuntahan natin, ito yung isa sa pinakagusto ko.
Ako din.
Ikaw na nag-iisang may ganyan na picture. Unless pupunta sila sa Biwako. Ano ba mas?
Mommy, it's dark.
Hindi ko ipasok ko kasi kunin ko. Tapos ilasarado ko yan. Ayan na kasi may cover niya na. Para ma-cover natin. Diba? Para sa nag-ito. Video lang ako. Skyler! Skyler Matthew! Look here muna kay Mami. Look here muna kay Mami. Smile! Wait lang, smile! Ay, wait lang. Okay, look at Mami. Smile! Dito ka, baby. Dito ka tayo.
I want the eyes in here.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile!
Naninigas yung balbas ko.
Ginawa na isa dito. Hello guys! Nandito na kami sa tuktok. Sa Biwako. Sobrang sulit dito guys. Kaya mag-book na kayo sa Klook. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Sobrang sulit guys. First time namin maka-experience ng snow dito sa Japan. Napakalamig guys. Akala ko wala nang snow kaya parang nag-worry ako. Sabi ko, nabook ko na siya sa Klook. Tapos baka wala nang snow pupunta namin. Pero guys, grabe ang kapal ng snow dito. Sobrang kapal ng snow dito guys. Sobrang sayang experience. First time ni Skyler maka-experience ng snow. So tuwan-tuwa ang bagets. Come on. Oh no, your mouth is usok. Ikaw, Daddy.
Oh, pagsusukin na itong mga gloves nyo. Sige lang, dito lang ako sa mesa. Bye! Say bye, Bobby! Bye-bye!
Please hold on to the handrails or straps. まもなく支柱を通過します。前後の揺れにご注意ください。We will soon pass the support tower and main swing.
Yeah, because we're going down this way.
Okay na to? Okay na to. Kami, okay na to.
Ha? Unang tikim, Ichiran. Unang tikim, Ichiran. Oo. Skyler. Ayun, Daddy, sinasabi ko dito, oh. Dahil yun dito, yung crack.
Oh.
Diba? Ang pangit. May ano siya, may shadow. Daddy!
There's a shadow. There's a shadow.
Daddy! Nakarating din sa pupuntahan. Naligaw pa nga sa tren. Grabe yan. Shopping yarn. Shopping yarn. Hi guys, we're here in Kadoma. Daddy, saya? Shopping day?
Bagong shoes.
Yabang. Bago shoes niyan eh. Pinakamatindi dito si Skyler. Hindi lang isa, dalawang sapatos. Okay, ordering sushi at nagki-crave daw siya sa sushi. Someone is craving for sushi.
Is it the food, Mom?
Yeah.
How is it the food? How? Guys, get it! Get it! That's it. That's it.
Wow, sushi. Wow. Okay, press it, Skylar. Thank you. Wow, wow, wow. Maawa ka sa gout mo. Kung mahal mo pa yung paa mo, maawa ka. Itigil mo na ang pag-order niyan. Ang dami mo na nakain, no? Tingnan mo ilang plato na yan, no?
Tikman natin lahat.
Hindi pa rin siya tumitigil. Kaka-order ng sushi.
Meron
Uy.
pa nga eh, puro nga sushi lang to eh.
Awat
Meron
ka.
pang ano to. Ayun oh, meron pa dito.
Ayoko na, busog na ako.
Ito mami yung sea urchin oh.
Ayoko.
Ito.
Nag-aaway na po sila. Ayan na yung wego eh.
Naubos mo na.
Jump up na naman ang tao dito. Ayan si Glayka.
Malapit na ulit kami maghirap.
Hello guys! This is our last night. So, napakagulo na ng aming gamit. Ayan na ang mga napamili. Ito ang aming Airbnb. May 2 bed. So, may CR. Siyempre, Japanese style. Tapos, the kitchen. Tapos, meron ditong mga napamiling sapatos. Ang aming mga laundry. So, hello guys! Hello!
Hello.
Ang mga pagoda.
Satang pa ako.
Skyler. Mga napakakalat na mga gamit. We're going now. Hi! Congratulations! Graduate na ang aming master. Master ano yun? Master and planner? Ha?
Master in Management and Environmental Planning. Kasi hindi ako makakita ng stage na yun. Kasi dito pa ako sa Japan. So sa August na ako
Pero graduate ka na.
may diploma na ako. Pwede ko na.
Congrats! Congratulations!
Yung motor ko.
Dad. Skyler. Skyler, look at mommy. Hi. Okay.
I didn't see the airports.
at the airport. Ayan na, apakadaming dala ni Mark.
We're gonna ride to Pacific.
Tatlong maleta.
Alright.
So, check-in na muna kami. Ha?
Yan? 7 yan?
Oh my god, we're in the
Bye-bye, Osaka. I'm gonna miss the weather here.
I'm gonna miss the snow.
Yeah, me too.
And I